Hello friend, if you're busy and still want to create content, I think the goal shouldn't be to make the best video possible. The goal should be to make the easiest video possible. Because sometimes we make content creation harder than it needs to be. A lot of the time when I feel busy, I start thinking I need the perfect idea, the perfect lighting, the perfect setup, the perfect energy. And then by the time I think all of those things, I end up making nothing. But something that I'm learning is that busy seasons are not the time to make something fancy. Busy seasons are the time to simplify. So instead of asking, what is the best video that I can make today? Ask yourself, what's the most honest video that I can make today? Maybe it's the thought you had while you were driving, showering. Maybe it's one lesson that you learned this week. Maybe it's just expressing one problem that you're currently dealing with right now and how you're trying to solve it. That's enough. And if you really don't have time, then lower the friction as much as possible. Use your phone like what I'm doing right now. Record in one spot. Don't overthink the B-roll or don't even put B-roll at all. Don't make the edit complicated. Just say the thing clearly, get your message out and move on. Because most people don't need a cinematic masterpiece from you every single time. Sometimes they just need one simple thought, one reminder, one perspective that helps them get through the day or help them to take action. To be honest, I feel like that is what makes content creation feel more sustainable, for me at least. It's not always about having more time. It's learning how to create with the time that you already have. So if you're busy right now, don't use that as a reason to disappear. Just make the smaller version, the simpler version, the version that you can actually finish. Because a simple finished video will do so much more for you than the perfect video that you will never make. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.